It's family and friends here on Trip Out with Sadie and Ranton. We're at the Butterfly Wonderland in Scottsdale, Arizona. In 2013, Butterfly Wonderland in Scottsdale, Arizona opened to the public, being the largest conservatory for butterflies in the United States. Before the experience of enjoying an educational film about the life and journey of the butterflies in their riveting 3D theater, we toured through a hall of collections of butterflies and other insects. Afterwards, we were led to the Butterfly Emergence Gallery, and it showcased every stage of their miraculous transformations from chrysalis to full-grown butterflies. From there, we entered the Butterfly Wonderland Conservatory. We visit the mighty workers of honey, the bees at the Beehive. Then, to the magic of nature, we were greeted by our wonderful winged hosts, the beautiful, colorful, and magnificent creatures, the butterflies. Later, we visited the tropical waters. We were captivated with admiration of the beauty of the underwater treasures from the tropical oceans, rivers, and lakes. Truly astonishing.